In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate the latest news directly into your stock charts to make informed trading decisions. Imagine having all the relevant headlines for your chosen stocks right at your fingertips, embedded within your usual analysis setup. This can greatly enhance your understanding of market movements and news impact. Let's take a closer look at how you can achieve this seamless integration. First, you'll want to open the chart for the specific symbol you're interested in. Let's say, for instance, you're following Apple's stock. So, you'd open up your trading platform and pull up the chart for AAPL. Make sure that you're looking at the right symbol, as the news will be tied to that particular chart, providing insights tailored to your analysis needs. Now shift your focus to the right-hand toolbar on your trading platform. This is where you'll typically find an array of tools designed to enhance your trading experience. What you're looking for is the news icon, which might look like a small page or document symbol. Once you've located this icon, go ahead and click on it. By doing so, you will instantly access the latest headlines that are directly relevant to the stock symbol you've chosen. This feature allows you to stay updated with any developments or breaking news that could potentially affect the stock's performance without having to leave your current chart view or search for information elsewhere. To take this one step further and have the news directly integrated into the chart as events, you'll need to make a small adjustment in the chart settings. All you have to do is right-click on the chart area to bring up a context menu. From this menu, navigate to the Settings option. This is your gateway to customizing how the chart looks and behaves to best suit your preferences and trading style. Once in the Settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Events. Click on this to delve into more specific configurations that relate to the visible events on your chart. Look for an option named Latest News within this section. Enabling this feature will allow the news events to be visually marked on your chart, providing a chronological context of headlines in relation to historical and current price movements. This enables you to examine how particular news items might correlate with changes in stock price, offering richer insights into market dynamics. By following these steps, you integrate essential news updates directly with your trading analysis. It's like having a built-in feature that keeps you attuned to the market's pulse, potentially giving you an edge when making investment decisions. So, next time you analyze a stock, remember to utilize the news feature. It's a small step that could have a big impact on your trading success. Happy trading!